Okay, now kita continue lagi with the lessons. Okay, look at here the graph of y equal to a plus b sine cx. Okay, so given to you this is the graph. Okay, and the function given to you this one, so a plus b sine x. So you the first thing that you need to understand is okay, make sure that you know that now your equation is different given you the equation if different. If I told you the general equation is a sine bx plus c now, so you need to compare a now with not this. A now is the b value. Okay, so b now is your c value. Sorry, tertinggal c value. Okay, c here. Okay, ada c kat situ. Cx. So you compare with a correct unknown lah. Okay, jangan rigid to the same unknown. Okay, so but understand. So when I say amplitude, you jangan kata A lah. Look at here, the amplitude is B now. Okay, so understand back what is the meaning of amplitude. So amplitude is the distance from the maximum point and the starting point here. Starting dia -2. So you nampak kat sini dia punya amplitude is 6. So therefore our B is 6 minus 2 is 4. Remember the amplitude is the distance here, not ke bawah not with the axis x. Okay, so now look at C. So C is our, we can relate with our period, or you can understand by sketching the graph. Okay, so our graph here stop at here, but it stop here. Dia belum lagi pi, dia belum lagi 2 pi is pi. So maknanya kalau if the graph, we want to complete the graph, dia akan tetap jadi 2 pi here. So meaning that dia tetap with a complete one cycle. Okay, you tetap kena dapat 2 pi. So meaning that the period, or bukan the period, the value of C is 1. Okay, so do understand that. Okay, or you can also buat formula, use the formula period. Okay, I give you an alternative. So formula for period is 2 pi over b. So you kena nampak sini, so your period is not here. Okay, sebab period, the simple definition for period is a complete one cycle. At the end dapat kat mana? So kat sini dia berhenti dekat 2 pi. So 2 pi over b. So b is 1. So sama lah, b is 1. So b here is c lah. Okay, c lah. I should put c. Okay, I should put it c supaya you tak salah faham. Okay, our c is 1. Okay, now look at A. A maknanya our value A. You tak buat ikut susunan pun tak apa, asalkan jawapan ni betul. So dia shift, the graph shift move up and down. Tengok, so it move 2 units. Okay, so the value of A is 2 lah. So just that simple as that. Okay, now try this graph. Okay, try this graph. I want you to try this one. Look at, okay, what you should do, draw a imaginary line, dotted line, to help you, okay, to help you to can see. Okay, so what is the value of A here? So A here is amplitude, refer to amplitude lah. So what is the value of A? Can you give a comment? Value of B. So look at, is a complete one cycle of sine graph, but it's not 360 degree or 2 pi, it's become pi. So what is the period? Okay, so you can find value of B by using the period, or you just sketching or understanding the shape of the graph like I showed to you just now. And the value of C is how, okay, how many unit that the graph starting point of the graph from the horizontal or from the x-axis. Okay, so What is it? Any comment? Can you give a comment? Okay, now we look at this graph. This is a cost graph. Okay, so cost graph, the graph is A plus B cos CX. Okay, and nampak is ending here. Tapi you kena tengok sini. Okay, so saya tak nak buat. Okay, stop, sorry. Okay, kita start dengan A. Our A, tak nak start dengan A pun tak apa, nak start dengan A pun tak apa. Tapi kena ingat, our cost is already start from here, from 1. Okay, so meaning that when you say 5 here, okay, so susah lah. So better you start dengan amplitude is easy. Okay, better you start with the amplitude, senang nampak. So amplitude refer to B. Okay, B. So tengok dia ending. How to know where is it? Kenapa bukan kat sini cikgu? Oh, tengok dia tak symmetry. It should be symmetry. The graph should be symmetry. Okay, kat tengah-tengah. So 5 and 1. 5 and 1, tengah-tengah dia adalah 3. Okay, so our amplitude is 5 minus 3, that is 2. Okay, so nampak so now C. So C, the period, how many period? Kalau tak nak guna period, guna sama macam saya buat ni pun tak apa. Okay, understand the concept. Okay, nampak? 1 cycle, 2 cycle, 3 cycle. So therefore our C is 3 automatic. Senang je. Kalau kira formula, period and so on, kadang-kadang pening. Okay, and lastly for question for A, kita nampak sini dia dah shift. Kenang you tengok dia sepatutnya tengok sini 0 dia dengan 3 dia. So 3 lah dia punya A, dia terangkat start daripada 3. Okay, sepatutnya ni 0 tapi dia jadi 3. So A dia 3. So easy to be like that. Okay, so please try the question that I ask you and make sure you write down the notes properly. Put all the tips that I give to you, write down the tips. Thank you.